This YouTube channel, which is considered one of the most well-made storytelling channels, creates unique stories thanks to artificial intelligence. The channel was launched a long time ago with the aim of creating different and attractive content for young audiences, and it was able to grow rapidly by using technology. One of the most attractive aspects of this channel is the use of artificial intelligence to produce videos. In this video, we discuss the various types of videos that this channel uses to create content, including deep neural networks to create stories, natural language processing to write dialogues, and generative artificial intelligence to create footage and images. How has this channel been able to produce videos that get up to 1 million views? In this part, we analyze the methods and techniques that the channel uses to attract and keep the audience. From the selection of interesting and trending topics, to the use of editing tricks and special effects, everything is carefully considered. How does artificial intelligence help to increase the quality and appeal of videos? This section examines how artificial intelligence can improve storytelling, audio, and visual production. Also, the advantages and disadvantages of using artificial intelligence in content production and the challenges faced by producers will also be discussed. Now that we are familiar with the technologies and techniques used in this channel, let's check the steps of making a similar video, step by step. From choosing the story and writing the script to using artificial intelligence tools to produce footage and final editing, all the steps are explained in detail and step by step. The video we made.
Imagine a world where the very essence of life is woven with divine purpose, where the boundaries between the mortal and the eternal blur. This is the story of the Bible, a saga spanning thousands of years, filled with heroes, villains, love, war, and the ultimate quest for meaning. In the beginning, there was nothing but a void. Out of this emptiness, a voice echoed, a voice of creation, setting the cosmos into motion. Light burst forth, stars flung into the night sky, and the earth began to take shape. This was not just a creation story, it was the beginning of a relationship between the Creator and His creation. As the earth blossomed, life emerged. Trees, rivers, animals, and finally, humans. Adam and Eve, the first of their kind, lived in a paradise called Eden. But with the taste of forbidden fruit, they fell from grace, setting into motion a story of redemption that would span millennia. Centuries passed, and humanity multiplied. Among them was a man named Abraham, chosen by God to father a nation. This nation, Israel, would be God's people, set apart to be a light in the darkness. But their journey was far from easy. From the dramatic escape from slavery in Egypt, led by Moses, to the wandering in the desert for 40 years.
Now guys, log into ChatGPT and ask this AI tool to generate 10 different prompts for 3D stories. These prompts can be anything you like, such as space adventures, fantasy stories with dragons and knights, or even stories about life in the distant future. ChatGPT has the ability to generate diverse and creative ideas that can help you create an attractive and unique story. Well guys, now that you've got your story ideas from ChatGPT, it's time to move on to the next step, creating high-quality visuals and images that bring your story to life. For this, you can visit the Tensor Art and Leonardo AI sites. Both of these platforms are powerful tools for generating digital images using artificial intelligence. When you log into these sites, just enter the text you received from ChatGPT as input. For example, I logged into both sites and copied and pasted the text that ChatGPT generated for me. Quickly and in just a few moments, amazing and stunning images were created for my story. Choosing a style and settings. First, you need to choose the style you want. This can include choosing different themes such as 3D, fantasy, sci-fi, etc. Both sites offer a variety of styles that you can choose from depending on your needs and tastes. Enter text and descriptions. Next, enter text and descriptions for the scenes you want to create. This section can include a detailed description of the environment, characters, colors, and even facial expressions. Waiting for images to be generated. After entering the text and settings, click the Generate button and wait a few moments for the artificial intelligence to generate the images for you. My experience has shown that both sites prepare images very quickly and in very high quality, which is amazing downloading and using images. Once the images are ready, you can download them and use them in your videos. These images can be used as backgrounds, animations, or even story elements in your videos. Guys, now that you've produced your creative images using Tensor Art and Leonardo AI, it's time to turn those images into videos. To do this, you can log in to Haiper.ai. This site allows you to easily convert your text and photos into videos. One of the unique features of Haiper.ai is that it allows you to create short videos of up to 8 seconds at no cost, while many other sites only allow you to make short videos up to 4 seconds and charge for longer videos. But Haiper.ai allows you to convert your images and text into video for free, which is great for creating engaging and creative content. Log in and create an account. First, go to Haiper.ai and create a free account. This process is quick and easy and gives you access to all the features of the site. Import content. If you are using the text-to-video option, import the text you received from ChatGPT. If you're using the photo-to-video option, upload photos you've already downloaded and sourced from other sites, such as Tensor Art and Leonardo AI. Now that you've prepared your story and images and created your engaging videos using Haiper.ai, the next step is to add professional audio to your video to make more of an impact on your audience. To do this, you can log in to the Elevenlabs website. This site allows you to easily convert your stories and texts into natural and professional sound. Guys, now that you have completed all the steps of making a video using AI tools, it's time for the final editing of the video. For this, you can use the CapCut program or any other software that you are familiar with. CapCut is a free and powerful video editing tool that allows you to edit the produced videos and audio in a professional manner. Entering the program and creating a new project. After downloading and installing CapCut, open the program and click on the New Project option. This option allows you to create a new video, import video and audio. Now import videos and audio files you've downloaded from AI sites like Haiper.ai and Elevenlabs. To do this, click the Add button and select the files you want. Removal of site logo. Some downloaded videos may contain the site logo. To remove this logo, you need to zoom a little on the video. Using the zoom tool in CapCut, leave the unwanted parts of the video out of the frame to remove the logo. Repeat this for all video clips. Audio and video setup. Now insert the speaker audio file that you downloaded from Elevenlabs. Carefully adjust the parts of the video that need sound. If a part of the video doesn't need sound or you want to remove parts of the sound, use the Cut and Remove tools. Add effects and transitions. You can add various effects and transitions to clips to make the video more interesting. CapCut has a collection of different visual effects and transitions that you can use to make your video flow smoothly and professionally. Final settings and output. After making all the settings and edits, preview the video to make sure of its final quality. If everything is set well, click the Export button and save the video in the format of your choice. Using different layers. By using different layers, you can add more text, stickers, and visual effects to the video, which can increase the appeal of the video. Add background music. If your video needs background music, you can use CapCut's music library, or add your own favorite music. Check the output quality. Be sure to check the video carefully before the final output to make sure that all parts are correct, and the audio and video are in sync. With these steps, your video is ready to be shared. Using various artificial intelligence tools and video editing software, you can create professional and attractive videos that will quickly become popular among your audience. Okay guys, thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can make great and attractive videos. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for the best educational videos. Until the next video, God bless.